In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy where you can 40x your money every single year. If you want to learn this profitable crypto day trading strategy, make sure you stick around to the very end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications on. So many people come to cryptocurrency expecting crazy gains to be made millionaires overnight. But guess what? It doesn't happen. And you end up holding the bag while you have incredible trading opportunities, profitable opportunities. You fail to take profits. You make so many mistakes. You lose so much money. And you end up losing more money than where you started coming into cryptocurrency. But I'm going to teach you how you can change that with this crypto trading strategy in this video very quickly. Now, a lot of people miss out on incredible, profitable opportunities every single day because they're expecting huge gains, because they get greedy, and it prevents you from being able to capture insane, profitable opportunities for you. The difference between a profitable trader, one who makes money trading and investing in cryptocurrencies, is one who is not greedy and can take consistent profits over and over and over, no matter how small they are. And the cryptocurrency market, especially for certain cryptocurrencies, moves up and down many percentages every single day in each direction. Sometimes cryptos will move up 10% and down 10% in a matter of hours in a single day period. But I want to teach you that you should just try to capture a small percentage, a small portion of those huge swings. And if you do so consistently, it could change your life forever. Now, let me show you this. If you have $1,000 and you make 1% every single day with just $1,000, you will turn in 1 year that $1,000 into $38,000 with a percentage profit of 3,600% in 1 year's time. All you have to do is for 365 days, make 1% a day. Now, if you wanted to take the weekends off and we calculate it that way, you would make 1,200%, 12xing your money, and the $1,000 you would effectively turn into over nearly $13,000. Now, let me go ahead and show you the strategy and how you can actually do this. Now, right now I'm trading over on Bybit. Is a platform that you should trade on. It's a platform that I trade on. And look at this, just in the last hour or so, I've made 69% on a small little trade. Very quick, very easy. And I'm gonna show you not how you can make insane gains like this in this video. I have a crypto school and mentoring program for that, but I'm gonna show you how you can make those insane gains that I talked about in the beginning of this video, making that possible 1%. So what we want to do is we want to go over to TradingView, and we want to go to the 15-minute time frame, and you of course want to pick a cryptocurrency that you want to trade. I recommend trading Bitcoin or Ethereum for beginners because the volatility is much less compared to Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or some smaller cryptocurrencies. The first rule when it comes to trading is you cannot invest more than you are willing to lose. The second rule when it comes to trading is you must set stop losses. Stop losses help to protect your capital, and guess what it will help you to do in case there's some type of crash which can happen at any moment. Instead of you riding a crash all the way down, it pulls you out for a small loss and then you could re-enter on the dip. So the third rule when it comes to investing and trading in cryptocurrency, and my specific rules for day trading as a professional and profitable crypto day trader, is you want to buy low and sell high. Do you ever notice that whenever you sell, it goes up, whenever you buy, it goes down, and everything else like that? It's just reversed. And the reason for that is because you are not buying and selling at the right time. Let me give you an example, and this is kind of going to be very basic. I'm not going to get into huge depth in this video, but it's going to help you to kind of understand how the market works and how you should be buying and selling or trading cryptocurrency. So whenever the market has a very big pump, like 4% or 5%, the market will always have a pullback or a retracement. You want to sell when the profits are huge. You want to sell when you want to take a screenshot. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the profits I made at that exact moment when the thing keeps pumping up and up and up and it just looks insane. Like, oh my gosh, it's going to go so much more. That's when you want to consider taking profits. And guess what happens? You have a significant pullback, which happened twice. Look, from the top to the bottom, we see a 2.5% move. Then the top to this move is a 3% move. And guess what? If you would have bought the dip here, you would have made 1.5%. If you would have bought the dip here, you would have made 2%. You want to buy low and sell high. So when things pump up a lot, you want to consider trying to get as close as possible to that very peak and take your profits. And if the price moves down 1%, you can re-enter. So that's how you exit, but how do you make an entry into a cryptocurrency? My specific strategy is I like to wait for big crashes or big corrections. They happen nearly every single day, every single week, every single month. And some days the crashes or corrections are not as big, but you will get a decent pullback usually every single day for the most part, no matter how bullish things are. So in the instance where you get a decent little crash or correction, what I will do is I will pay attention to the 15-minute time frame or maybe the 30-minute time frame. I would stick with these time frames if you're looking to day trade, and I will try to catch the bottom at the scariest moments, like when it looks like it's gonna crash and go to zero at that very moment where it's kind of scary, like, oh my gosh, it's gonna go down. You want to make an entry and you want to put a stop loss right here, a market stop loss on this swing low, which is the lowest point here. And what will happen, to give you a perfect example, is look, there's a flash move down, a quick move down, and then it bounced up very fast. It got that 1.5% move. But if you were to put the stop loss here, you have been able to catch a 0.5% move, a 1% move to the upside, and then you take your profits. You got your 1% a day. Look at this, then it dipped again. And then you try to enter right here. You put a tight stop loss so that in case it goes down further, you're stopped out for a very small percentage, maybe like 0.5%, 0.05%, something very, very small. And then once it dips again, you try to enter again. And eventually you're gonna catch the 0.5% or 1% move. And when things are not very volatile, you don't want to be looking for huge 2 or 3% pumps or moves. Just look for maybe a 0.5% move, a 0.3% move, small little moves, which can add up over time, especially throughout that day where you can collect a total of 1% in profits. So the key is buying on dips with very tight stop losses. But I'm not talking about a dip of 0.1%, 0.2%. We're looking at after a really big move, we're looking, do you want to continue to wait with patience, a 1% move down, a 2% move, 3% move down. Whenever there's a significant pullback, you want to try to catch that dip. Eventually, even if it's extremely bearish and it keeps crashing over and over and over, there's always going to be a bounce and then it's going to keep going down. Try to catch that bounce, but you have to put a very tight stop loss. I also created a trading indicator to help you to know exactly when to buy and sell without having to do all the crazy stop losses and try to calculate this and that. It's called Algo Sniper. You can try it for free. It tells you exactly when to sell, when to take profits, when to buy. I mean, look at this. I'll give you a perfect, clear example. You gave us a buy alert right here and we rode this wave all the way up, and there's other indicators on here, I'm not going to get into them now, that told you to consider taking profits. But you don't want to wait for indicators to tell you to take profits. Like I said, when things pump up really crazy and really fast, consider taking profits. There's going to be times when you do take profits and it keeps going back up. And in that instance, what I recommend is if it looks extremely bullish, like right here, the price went all the way up, had a huge pump. Maybe you would consider taking profits, but we have a resistance level here. It broke it. Then you want to consider re-entering right here with a very tight stop loss and try to catch another wave up and then take profits again. It's going to happen that when you sell, the thing goes up. But guess what? Most of the time it might go up just a little bit, so don't be faked out, don't freak out, and don't panic because it's going up. Be happy with your small little profits. If you're concerned that you're missing out on this profit and that profit and all these crazy theoretical moves, you're going to miss out on these small percentage gains that you could be making every single day. So focus on your small little 1% every single day, and it will change your life forever. I also have a crypto school mentoring program where I teach people for a whole year how to become a profitable day trader. I do it every single week. I also have a group class and a one-on-one session. If you're interested, in apply with the link in my video description. Make sure you are using the Algo Sniper trading indicator, and also make sure you are trading over on Bybit where you can claim a $30,000 deposit bonus, but just using the link in my video description, depositing any amount of cryptocurrency there for the first time. That's going to be it for this video. If you got something out of it, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing and notifications on, and I'll see you later.